What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys 3 ways through which you guys can contact Netspend's customer service. Before I tell you how you guys can do that, let me tell you guys what Netspend is. Netspend is a prepaid card preparing company. So if you guys know what Amazon gift card is, the Netspend prepaid gift card is similar to that. But in this case, it's owned by Netspend and it's a Visa gift card. So if you guys have used a Visa card, the Netspend gift card is similar to that. But in a Visa gift card, you can, add some more money in it. But in Netspend gift card, there's going to be a set amount of money in it in advance. Once you use it, the card is useless. You can throw that away and buy a new card if you want to use it again. So yeah, that's how it works. Now let me show you guys how you guys can contact its customer service if you guys have any problem with it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first step is search for Netspend and then click on where it says netspend.com. It's going to take you to the official website of Netspend. Once you're over here, click on where it says login. It's going to take you to its login page. Once you're in its login page, what you want to do is you want to scroll a bit down. Scroll all the way down until you see this contact us button over here. Once you see it, click on it and it's going to take you to this page. Once you're over here, it's going to show you 3 ways through which you can, message Netspend. The first is email. They're going to give you, the email of Netspend over here, which is customerservice@netspend.com. You can email them. That's one way to contact. And the other way is they have given their phone number. That's the other way to contact them. Call them. Just remember, when you call them, they're available from Saturday to Sunday between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time. If you call them from anywhere between this time, they'll pick up. If you don't, they will not. And the other is to mail them. They have given you their PO box information over here. Just send them a, mail if you want to as well. These are the 3 ways on how you guys can contact Netspend. So hope you guys were able to understand. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then and have a nice day.